This is Ian from Lean Media. If you're a QuickBooks Online user like I am, you may have recently encountered issues with invoices not including a pay online option, even if you set it up to accept payments online. I'm going to show you how to fix it, and here's how. Go to QuickBooks Online. You want to go to Account and Settings. You get there by clicking on the little gear icon that's up here, and then go to the Sales tab. And there's two things that you need to do. I learned that actually I was only doing one of them, which is why the online option wasn't showing up for my clients and my customers. So the first thing is invoice payments. You have to have accept credit cards, ACH, PayPal. Make sure that that's selected on. If it's not, select this little pencil icon and make sure that that's turned on. The second thing you need to do, and this is super important, where it says online delivery, click on that, email options for all sales forms, and show full details in email. And then this thing, this drop down here, if it says HTML, you need to change it to online invoice. You must do it, and then you need to click save. If it's on HTML, what this means is your clients will only receive a very basic HTML email. It won't have a link to actually go process the payment online or submit your credit card details or whatever. So this really tripped me up for a long time, but this is how you fix it, by making sure you save it as online invoice. If this video helped, please take a moment to like it and follow me, and I'll see you next time.